Hi friends, this is Dr. Krup Pasavada and our today's topic of discussion is sexual perversions part 1. If you want more video links, you can visit the description box, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and sharing. So let us check out the contents of today's video. The first one is sadism, the second one is masochism, the third one is voyeurism, the fourth one is fetishism, and the fifth one is exhibitionism. So these are the 5 perversions in this video we will be studying today. The first one is sadism. Definition: a person gets sexual gratification by inflicting pain or physical cruelty like beating, biting, whipping, cigarette burns, or ill treating the partner. So, here the sexual gratification, a person gets sexual gratification by persecuting others, beating others, biting others, wiping or cigarette burns, or ill treating the partner. Multiple injuries are inflicted on any body parts, but breasts and external genitalia are generally selected. So, multiple injuries a person may found on any part of body, but breast and external genitalia are generally selected. In extreme cases, even a murder is committed. So, in sadism, if it is on extreme stage, even a murder is committed. This perversion is common in males. The name sadism is derived from the French writer Marquis de Sade, 1740 to 1814, who regarded sexually deviant acts as being natural and which was apparent in both his writings and actions. So the name sadism comes on Marquis de Sade, who regarded sexually deviant acts as being natural and which was apparent in both his writing and actions. His life consisted of numerous acts of extremely violent physical and sexual abuse. So, most of his victims were female prostitutes and male and female employees of his estates. So, the victims were female, either female prostitutes or male and female employees of his estate. He wrote pornographic and erotic books in which characters enjoyed being cruel. So, this is nothing but the word sadism means. The next is masochism. Definition: sexual gratification is obtained by only when they receive painful stimuli from an opposite partner. So in sadism, giving painful stimuli to the partner, and in masochism, receiving painful stimuli from an opposite partner. They both are opposite to each other. So here they have written it is the reverse of sadism and is commonly seen in males. The term is derived from the 19th century author Leopold von Sacher-Masoch, an Australian novelist who portrayed his principal male character suffering from these perversions. So this person, Leopold von Sacher-Masoch, an Australian novelist, the his principal male character suffering from these perversions, his story appeared to parallel his relationship with his wife, as he used to plead with her to treat him as a slave and whip him. So he used to say his wife to treat him as a slave and whip him. His eccentric request gradually become more demanding to satisfy his sexual appetite. So here it is to remember that here receiving painful stimuli from an opposite partner and a person gets sexual gratification. Masochistic asphyxial death may occur due to accidental hanging or strangulation. So certain times this type of act will get more cruel and there will be an asphyxial death also maybe occur due to accidental hanging or strangulation. Sadism and masochism are rarely found in a pure state. Combined entity known as sadomasochism. So if they both are combined, then it is called as sadomasochism. They are usually found together, which one type dominant over the other, and the combination is known as bondage. So certain times one will be dominant over other and the combination is known as bondage. This is found in all age groups and among all socioeconomic strata. So here it is not that it is found in only some age group or some socioeconomic status. It is found in all the groups and amongst all socioeconomic strata. These acts of cruelty may completely substitute sexual intercourse. So this is very important. This substitutes the sexual intercourse. The next is voyeurism. Definition: it is a morbid desire of the individual to observe unsuspecting people undress or naked. So, observing people undressed or naked, take a bath, see the genitalia or watch intercourse to get erotic excitement and sexual gratification. So, it is to watch, it is to observe people undressed or naked, take a bath, see the genitalia, or watch intercourse to get erotic excitement and sexual gratification. It is again commonly seen in males. Voyeurs means observers frequently peep into the bedrooms of others and they are called as peeping toms. So this word is also very important, peeping toms. Some voyeurs prefer to observe their wives being seduced by other men. So this is something extra side. Some voyeurs prefer to observe their wives being seduced by other men. The act of observation may be accompanied by exhibitionism or masturbation. So this we will see in upcoming slides. It occurs in the case of the personality disorder. So it comes under the sociopanic personality disorders, and such individual may commit sexual crimes also. Legal aspects. Under section 354 CIPC, voyeurism is a punishable offense. It states that any man who watches or captures the images of a woman engaged in a private act in circumstances where it is expected of not being observed or circulate such image is punishable with imprisonment from 1 to 3 years. So these acts might be changing clothes, using a lavatory, or doing a sexual act. So in such circumstances where it is expected not being observed or circulate such image is punishable with imprisonment of 1 to 3 years and fine, and for second offense imprisonment for 3 to 7 years and fine. In the UK, non-consensual voyeurism is a criminal offense, and in the US, video voyeurism is criminalized in many states. Fetishism. Definition: it is a fixation on an inanimate object or body part that is not primarily sexual in nature. So this is very important. It might be an inanimate object or body part that is not primarily sexual in nature and the compulsive need for its use to obtain sexual gratification. So here Alfred Binet, the French psychologist, coined the term erotic fetishism. So he had given a term that is erotic fetishism, means mystical quality, attribution of mystical qualities to inanimate object. It is mainly seen in males, and fetish objects are, although the list of objects is inexhaustible, but more commonly fetish objects are handkerchief, dresses, particularly undergarments like panties, bras, slips, stocking, and pantyhose. So these are the main fetish objects given here. Exhibitionism. It is a desire and intentional exposure of genitalia in public places while in the presence of others to obtain sexual pleasures. So it is desire and intentional exposure of genitalia in public places. This perversion is mainly seen in male and is called pleasures. Occasionally, women may expose themselves in public. Most of them are psychopathic or suffer from compulsive neurosis. So they are psychopathic or they might suffer from compulsive neurosis. Narcissism, the extreme form of self-admiration, is also believed to contribute to exhibitionism. And the legal aspect is it is an obscenous act punishable under section 294 IPC with imprisonment up to 3 months and or fine. So it is punishable under section 294 IPC with imprisonment up to 3 months and or fine. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel, click bell icon and share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.